Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Chandra, and this is I'm going to talk about my Lab 7 of the day. This task is to create a Google map in my location, which is Kuala Lumpur. So far, when I create this app from the video that's sent, I've run it, and then it shows a blank page from the mobile devices. So the only way to change that is to change the string name here from here, and in order to do that, from the Google Cloud Platform, you need to create a credentials, so that way it will be you can create a new one, and then copy the API into here. So that is the way how it works. And then when I test it, it works. It's it's worse. So right now I'm going to run it, and then I will get back to you as soon. Okay everyone, this is the map I created, which is marked to Kuala Lumpur. Just just now when I opened the create an app for the map activity, I do it in the I change it to the location, which just now it automatically changed to Sydney, so I change it to Kuala Lumpur instead. So when I open, it will automatically mark in Kuala Lumpur. So that is the way how I did. And when I press here, it's just go to the different location. But as a matter of fact, this this app is have no issue on that, but this is how I did. So there's no problem. So that's all for my lab 7. So see you. Thank you so much for watching.